If you've ever wondered what it feels like to step inside a living painting, you need to visit the Netherlands in spring. As winter fades, the country undergoes a breathtaking transformation, a spectacle of nature so profound it has defined Dutch culture for centuries. Across the landscape, the famous tulip fields burst into a riot of color. This isn't just a pretty sight, it's the echo of a fascinating history. It harks back to the tulip mania of the 17th century, when a single bulb was worth more than a house. Today, that passion has blossomed into a national celebration of beauty. Walking here feels surreal, a photo you can actually step into. And at the heart of this floral paradise is the world-renowned Keukenhof, the Garden of Europe. Every year, over 7 million flower bulbs are meticulously planted by hand across its 32 hectares, creating a living work of art. The Dutch countryside transforms into a rainbow of reds and pinks, yellows and purples as far as your eye can see. Inside Keukenhof, each winding path reveals a new, thoughtfully crafted display, from serene water gardens to stunning indoor pavilions showcasing rare species and incredible floral artistry. But the magic extends beyond the garden gates. The entire Bollenstreek or bulb region is a tapestry of floral wonder. The air smells sweet with blossoms. Rent a bicycle and pedal past iconic Dutch windmills, or for a unique perspective, take a silent whisper boat through the canals that crisscross the fields. The season is fleeting, from late March to mid-May, with mid-April being prime time. It's a photographer's dream, especially during the golden hours. It's a foodie's delight, with local markets offering treats like fresh stroopwafels. And for anyone who wants to feel like they're in a fairy tale, the Tulip Gardens are pure magic. This is more than a vacation, it's a pilgrimage for the senses that lives up to every expectation. So next spring, pack your camera and your brightest smile. Come ready to walk, to breathe deep, and be utterly captivated. It's a truly unforgettable escape that will fill your heart with color.